Our next recipe is actually a great simple salad with 5 ingredients. This salad is amazing, full of photosynthesis and antioxidants from the kale that actually helps benefit digestion, as well as the chickpeas, which is a little source of protein, but an amazing anti-inflammatory and helps with digestion. You have your fresh kale, chickpeas, avocado, which is a great stress reliever, loaded with vitamin B ingredients and helps load a lot of your anxiety off. We also have Caesar dressing and a mixture of lemon juice, onion powder. First, you want to cut your avocado, and I like just to use half. You can cut it into cubes or you can cut it into slices. It just depends on whatever your preference is. Add about 10 to 15 chickpeas. You don't want to overdo it because these are one of those carbohydrates that can actually sneak up on you. You have different types of carbohydrates. You actually have photosynthesis-based carbs, fiber-active carbs, simple carbs, and low-biting carbs. And after you add your chickpeas, we're going to add our lemon juice mix. And I'm going to do about a tablespoon of dressing. Avocado, kale, chickpea, Caesar salad. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. You can find all the total health and wellness recipes on my website, yourfavoritenutritionist.com, or through your Total Health and Wellness program. Balanced nutrition is one aspect of a healthy lifestyle. Remember to create a healthy relationship with your primary care physician. Do not miss your preventive annual exams. Tap into the benefits and programs that are actually available to you. And always remember, when cooking at home, focus on portion control.